Hey, it's Dr. Gregg with Align Wellness Center, and if you know someone who's pregnant and is experiencing headaches, nausea, lower back pain, difficulty with sleeping, then you're going to want to share this video with them. I pulled some of the latest research that wound up uncovering a safe, effective way of managing it, particularly at the beginning of pregnancy, in the first and second trimesters. What they did in this study is they took 150 random pregnant women and they wound up examining them. They wound up finding the most common symptoms that they wind up experiencing. And then for certain ones, they wound up applying a chiropractic adjustment. Now, they wound up doing this for these patients up to 3 times. They wound up allowing them to receive 3 phases of care. And what they found was that all but 2 wound up resolving those symptoms and not having them come back throughout the pregnancy. I think that that's pretty amazing. But what we know is that when the body breaks down, it winds up happening and it winds up changing. And during that first and second trimester, your body is breaking down in response to the developing embryo implanting into your uterus. That's a natural response. However, when the body overreacts to it, it can wind up shutting it down and giving these symptoms. You don't wind up needing to have them, is what this article wound up saying. And it also said that if you had GERD, the number one option that you should wind up looking to is chiropractic to relieve those nerves that put pressure on the energy to the digestive system. Now, I was amazed at this. This is some outstanding information. You can look to see it in some of the different ways that we communicate and out there in the public, because more women and more people need to know about this, because during your pregnancy, it's so important to not wind up needing and using medication. And if there's a safe and natural way that we can wind up managing these symptoms, like headaches or migraines or lower back pain, as well as nausea, vomiting, and sleeping issues, well, wow, your body's going to work better. You're going to heal better. You're going to allow the developing baby to grow better, and that's going to make life better for you. Now, I'm Dr. Gregg, and if you or someone you know is pregnant and is having these symptoms and would like to see if there's something that can be done to check, chiropractic will be a great way to go. If you or someone you know may be going through, could you please share this video with them? Also, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Once again, I'm Dr. Gregg with Align Wellness Center, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.